Have you ever wished you could make an exact copy of your favorite fruit tree without spending a single dollar? What if I told you that gardeners have been using one simple technique for centuries to clone almost any tree without seeds, expensive equipment, or even a greenhouse? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how it's done. By the end of this video, you'll know the easiest way to create brand new trees that are genetically identical to the original. Let's get started. Why not just plant seeds? Here's something many beginner gardeners don't realize. Growing a tree from seed doesn't always produce the same fruit. Apple seeds rarely grow apples identical to the parent tree. The same is true for many citrus trees, mangoes, avocados, and dozens of other fruit trees. That means you could wait 5, even 10 years, only to discover the fruit tastes completely different. That's why experienced gardeners prefer cloning. The secret: air layering. The easiest cloning method is called air layering. Instead of cutting off a branch and hoping it grows roots, you let the branch grow roots while it's still attached to the tree. Because the branch continues receiving water and nutrients from the parent tree, the success rate is incredibly high. Best of all, almost anyone can do it. Step 1. Choose a healthy branch about the thickness of your thumb. Avoid branches that are too young or too old. Healthy wood produces roots much faster. Step 2. Remove a ring of bark about 1 inch wide. Be sure to scrape away the green layer underneath. This stops the tree from healing over too quickly and encourages new roots to form. Step 3. Wrap the exposed area with moist sphagnum moss. The moss should be damp, not soaking wet. Too much water can cause rot. Too little moisture slows root growth. Step 4. Cover everything tightly with clear plastic wrap. Seal both ends with tape or zip ties. The clear plastic lets you watch the roots develop over time. Waiting now comes the easiest part. Waiting. Depending on the tree species and weather, roots usually appear within 4 to 8 weeks. Some fast-growing trees may root even sooner. Waiting now comes the easiest part. Waiting. Depending on the tree species and weather, roots usually appear within 4 to 8 weeks. Some fast-growing trees may root even sooner. Common mistakes. Many beginners fail because they make one simple mistake. They let the moss dry out. Without moisture, no roots will grow. Another mistake is removing the branch too early. Wait until the root ball is dense and healthy before cutting. Patience makes all the difference.